ho, ho! A message for the Christmas faithful. Christmas 2025. You celebrate Christmas, and even for those who don't celebrate Christmas, but you are with us here within the crypto market, within the crypto ecosystem. To you all, dreamers, builders, investors, skeptics, and holders of last resort, which is us, we're still here, right? 2025 was not the year we thought it would be. What we experienced in October, around October the 10th, felt like something snapped. The charts told one story, the sentiment another, but beneath it all, something deep and structural shifted in the very soul of the crypto markets. Volumes thinned, faith trembled, and our beloved altcoins floundered. Even Bitcoin, the grand patriarch of this revolution, looked shaken, but it hasn't done bad, has it, to date? And yet, here we are. We're all still here. And I'm talking to you, the holder who believed, you, the trader who endured, even having been decimated, liquidated when you're not meant to be liquidated. You, the builder who kept coding through the chaos. You, the skeptic who refused to look away. You're still part of a story that isn't over. In fact, it's just shifting chapters. Guys, this, I don't believe, is the end. It's a reset. Not all winters are dead seasons. Some are incubation chambers for new revolution, new narrative, new kids on the blocks, new catalysts. Markets move, narratives evolve, but principles endure. Decentralization, permissionless innovation, sovereignty over money, and now over intelligence. Guys, if you're still here, don't let price charts steal your conviction. Real value rarely shows up on TradingView until years later. What to look for in 2026? You might be asking, what's there to look out for in the coming new year? Let's look at AI and crypto. I think the collaboration between these two niches will deepen. I am expecting more integrations between decentralized AI protocol and tokenized data, compute, and model ecosystem. The fog is lifting. Expect a few winners to emerge. Compute and data. For me, when I hear those, I start connecting dots to those projects that are offering compute and organizing data. You do your own research. Which projects are those? Some of these are basement prices, discounts of all time, if you ask me, because at some point they were far beyond reach. Now, if you do believe that this is going to happen in the coming new year, maybe it's a time to reconsider. Look at this once more. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Some narratives that are going to come back. I think utility is going to trump hype. Real-world assets, privacy networks, permissionless PEPs, I'm talking of the PEP DEXs, scalable layer 1s and layer 2s with the developer activity and open financial infrastructure will drive attention. Look for tools, not just tokens. We are also facing a changing regulatory tone. The Genius app, if you're in the US, and other global regulatory movements suggest that crypto is being absorbed into the wider financial ecosystem. It may hurt in the short term, but paves the way for real capital to enter. But there are also some hard questions that require honest answers. Who really builds? Who delivers? Who survives volatility, not just with code, but with character? Are you one of those? And finally, I'm gonna leave a gift for all of you guys, and that gift is perspective. Step back, have some perspective. The best investors and builders in crypto are not the loudest, but the most prepared. Use the quiet moments of this season to plan, trim the excess, accumulate wisdom, set alerts, not just for price, but for conviction. In 2026, the noise will come back roaring. The question is, will you be ready or reactive? From the ashes of volatility comes the phoenix of innovation. Wishing you peace, reflection, a hot wallet, and warm soul this festive season. Yours in decentralization, chainfully yours, FD for SafeUp.tv.